How to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi box blinking yellow. So pretty much a yellow blinking light or something similar to amber commonly means the Xfinity gateway is still starting, updating, or unable to establish an internet connection. So once this is happening, you're gonna have to wait about 15 minutes, especially after installation, activation, or a restart. You can also make sure the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the wall outlet and the gateway itself. So you can try tightening it by hand or check for damaged cables or loose splitters and confirm that the power adapter is securely connected. You can also try restarting the Xfinity gateway. So to do this, you just unplug the gateway's power cable, which is from the power outlet, of course. You're gonna wait a minute and plug it back in and allow several minutes for it to reconnect. You can also restart a rented gateway through the Xfinity app. As for a new or replacement gateway, you can open the Xfinity app and make sure the activation process has been completed, and also check the app for a local outage or service interruption that could prevent the gateway from connecting. And when the light does continue blinking yellow and the internet remains offline, you can go ahead to their website or the app to contact Xfinity, since the issue may involve the incoming cable signal, account activation, damaged wiring, or faulty gateway hardware. So avoid performing a factory reset unless support recommends it, since it erases your customized settings and you wouldn't want to do that again. So you can try going for Xfinity support first. But those are some options you can try if your Xfinity Wi-Fi is randomly blinking yellow. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.